Hey, son. I saw you talking to that female monkey the other day. And I think it's time for us to have the talk. The talk. You know, the birds and the bees. You know, the birds and the bees, you know, when a bird, man, what your problem is?
Never, ever compare birds to bees.
Man, what your problem is? It's just a saying.
Don't ever compare birds to bees. We're totally different. Bees have stingers and they hurt. And birds, we're allergic to bees. I remember when I was little, got stung by a bee.
All right, son, go out and play, but watch out for those bees.
Okay, Dad. Whee! Small red!
Look at my son. He's all having fun.
What are these?
No, Junior! Junior, those are bees! No, Junior!
What happened to me, Dad? I'm all swelled up. It hurts.
Don't worry, son. It's just puberty. Let's go to the hospital, okay?
Okay.
Man, you got problems. You need to go to the doctor or something. Man, you probably mentally retarded.
Why do you think I'm angry?
What the?